I'm doing fantastically well, and I'm hale and hearty, and everything is hunky dory.
Yeah.
We both have similar names, Sangeeta.
Yeah, right, right. And we both are happy-go-lucky person. Okay, we are always very buoyant and cheerful, energetic enthusiasm we have, right?
Definitely, definitely. Same. Same name, same passion.
Yeah, same passion. Yeah, we both have burning desire about this
Yeah.
language. Correct.
And we are learning and forwarding in this language actually, gradually. We can say gradually and fastly. We are growing in this language.
Yes, yes. I'm also thriving nowadays. I'm learning lots of things. Okay, gradually and slowly. It is not like a very fast way because Rome was not built in a one day. So we are also flourishing in our own space, right? And I'm very happy for that.
Yeah, definitely. Actually, it should be. So before jumping into another conversation, we have to let's start our introduction.
Yes, for sure.
It's a
Okay.
necessary part.
Yes. Okay. So as you know, my name is Sangeeta Ticholkar and I am connecting with you from a beautiful state, Goa. Right now, I am proud homemaker, but if you ask me about my qualifications, so I have done my nursing diploma after 12th science and I was working in pharmaceutical companies and I have almost 15 to yes, 16 years of experience. Last year only I quit my job due to some health issues and yes, I'm mother to two handsome children. My younger one is 17 and elder one is 19 years old. And if you ask me about my hobbies, so I like to ride bicycle. I like to read books also because I'm a bibliophile. I can't say I'm avid reader, but yes, I'm reading. I'm enjoying reading books, and I like to listen to music also. I'm mellophile, and nowadays recently I have started to give classes for beginner only. And if you are viewer want to join, so my number is 9049234882. Just feel free
Wow.
to learn this language. I am also learning, and what I believe, learning and teaching, it is a win-win situation because you can learn also and you can impart your knowledge also. So it is very good things I consider. And yes, that's all about me in a nutshell. Thank you for asking.
Wow.
Now I would love you to introduce yourself also.
Yeah, definitely. Wonderful, wonderful introduction actually. And you actually, as you mentioned that you are living in the Goa. So I think I heard so many times that Goa is a very fantastic city and people can go there, enjoy a lot there. So yeah, it's a my burning desire to go once in my life.
Yes, you are always welcome, and you welcome to my home also.
Oh my God, thank you so much. Thank you from the bottom of my heart.
Yes, you deserve it because I consider you as my best friend, and we met actually through this journey. But what I found your best quality, you are always full of beans, you are very cheerful, and you are always ready to learn new things, and you never ever feel shy to ask another person. If you don't understand, you are not just flaunting, you just always ready to tell another person and ask another person because lots of ladies they don't have that quality. Okay, if they don't know also now they are not ready to ask. Okay, they feel like no, how I can ask, and they always do that pretentious. Okay, they are very pretending, but you are not like that. So I like your this quality, and that's why I have welcomed you to my house. I'm not inviting lot of people, but I invited you only in my this forum. Means this my co-learners group. I have invited only one you only.
Thank you so much. Thank you a lot for inviting me. And yeah, once if I go there with my husband, so definitely I will come. I will surely come at your home, right? Yeah, as you mentioned that you started the beginner group. So okay, so how many means learners are there? To you?
Yeah,
You are teaching online and offline.
yeah. I am taking online because offline it is not feasible for me. And another thing, Goan people they don't need this language because they have profound knowledge. So who are from rural area or they don't have that platform. Okay, for them only I have started online, and recently I have started only 1 month before, and right now I have only 4 students, but I'm giving them one-to-one session and they are learning.
Congratulations.
Yeah, so that's all.
Congratulations. You started your journey very beautifully, actually. Before 1 month. Yeah, definitely. Appreciate
Because
it.
you know, Sangeeta, like that way now we can polish our language also. Otherwise, it's very difficult being homemaker. We can't always do practice every time. But if you give knowledge or impart knowledge another person, then you can hone your communication skill also, right?
Definitely, definitely. It's correct actually. Yeah, so now I am giving my introduction.
Yes.
As you know, my name is Sangeeta and I am belong to Muradabad, UP. I'm a homemaker that's into the lovely child. If I talk about my studies, so I have done master in art and I have a degree of law. If I talk about my means hobbies, so my hobbies are like I love to listening to music, dancing, singing, and crochet, stitching, and lot of hobby I have. But nowadays, my first love is English. And earlier I was very deficient, but now as I am practicing, so I am assertive, and now I am burning desire to learn this language and forward and should be an eloquent speaker.
Yeah, that's
That's
great.
pretty much about me. Yes.
It's
So
nice.
Sangeeta, Sangeeta, how long have you been in this journey?
Yes. Last year I quit my job, and after that I was feeling regretting because we human beings are like that only. Whatever we don't have, we are always interested in that, and whatever we have, we always take it for granted, right? So after leaving my job, I was feeling very much regretting, and I wanted to kill my time anyhow. So I just started this journey. So I must say, since last year, I have been very much consistent in this journey.
Yeah, definitely. Actually, we are doing something last time, so we feel very regretting that we are sitting alone at home. And actually, those women who are working and they are working hard can't sit idly at home.
Exactly
Yeah,
right.
definitely. And those who are sitting idly and they don't want to do anything, so nothing happened with them. But those who are very motivated demons, it is very difficult for them to sit idly at home. I
Yes.
can understand.
And
I
you
can
know
come.
what is my nature? I don't like to go to neighbor house and just do chit chatting and backbiting because my nature is not like that. I always want to improve myself only. I never ever compare to another person. I'm just comparing me to myself only. So that's why I can't kill time. Otherwise, lots of ladies they can kill their time very nicely to go neighbors home and just pull each other legs and those things. But I'm not into that. Okay, so it was quite difficult for me to kill my time.
Definitely. Definitely, actually, yeah, wonderful, actually. Actually, me too, like this nature. I don't like to go in my neighbor's home and chit chat. And cat biting is also. I think that we shouldn't do like this. That kind of thing is not good. If we biting from other person, so I think
Yes,
not good,
exactly.
and we are losing our confidence and everything. We can't go forward in our future,
Yeah.
and we stagnant at the same place. If
Yes,
we background to others, so it means that it is decide to stagnate our
yes.
future. We can't go forward. Yeah, definitely. So, Sangeeta, why did you choose this line that you are totally passionate toward this language? Because nowadays so many passion are there, enthusiasm to learn, and there's so many things that we can have to follow. But you choose this path and you are taking a session tuition by sitting at home, which is very convenient for all women that while sitting at home they can do all the chores and can earn the money. So why did you choose this path?
Yes, very fascinating question actually. See what happened when I was doing job. That time also we required English, okay. But I just that time I mug up, I cram some sentences, and I was speaking a manageable English. But back of the mind, I was always scared if another person would ask me whatever I didn't mug up, and that if he would ask, then what I would give him answer. Okay, so I was always that scared in my mind, and it is my actually childhood dream. I wanted to speak in English, but you will be laugh at me what I was feeling, if some miracle would happen, and like that way I would speak. And I always, in my prayer, I always used to say, God, that please do one miracle and I can speak English. I was doing literally like that. But after lots of day, I could understand it would never happen. I have to give my efforts, okay? And like that way, I have that passion. Let's see why we English is just a language, okay? It is a skill. We can incorporate that skill very easily because we all have unlimited potential, right? But we are not exploring ourselves and we are not giving 100%. So that's why we are sometimes lagging behind. So and in Goa, everyone speak very nice English, and if another person speak with you in English and you can't able to give answer, you feel very awkward, embarrassment. Okay, so why we have to face always that awkwardness? Okay, instead of that, you just learn this language. Now you also feel good and confident. And nowadays, as you all know, English is a global language. And you know what is another thing? If you don't know English now, another person always take you for granted. Okay, another person will not listen your thing also. And if you speak in English, though you don't have any knowledge, and if you speak fluent English, oh my God, that another person will give you lots of respect. So that is the reason I have chosen my this passion. Okay, and I have burning desire to learn this
Yeah,
language.
it's a wonderful actually. You explain it very well. Actually, you mentioned that you are passionate towards riding the cycle and all. So how many? So you are following this passion till now or not?
Which riding bicycle you are asking? Yes,
Yeah.
since my childhood, I have been riding a bicycle and I got almost 2, 3 medals also. And my father, he taught me cycling. And still now I'm cycling here, and lots of people they are just staring at me that now that lady is so much old and she's riding bicycle. But I'm not thinking about people. Okay, I'm just listening to my voice also, inner voice, and I like to ride bicycle. I bought gear cycle for myself only, and my children they are also riding cycle. I have right now 2 bicycle, so I always go with my son for cycling. So that is very good
Yeah.
experience.
Yeah, wonderful actually. I seen and I heard so many times that if we are cycling, so we can reduce our weight easily. We can't get fat, you know. And if we go to gym for reducing our weight, so gym vendor also suggest us please
Cycle,
do cycling.
right?
Until you cycling, you can't reduce your weight. So cycling is very necessary part to reduce our fat actually.
Exactly.
But you
But
are
but
following natural.
yeah. But my
Yeah.
motto is not only reducing my weight. I don't know, but I feel that I am giving me time. Okay, and while riding bicycle, I always listen music also. Listen music also. So it is very ineffable experience, I must say. And for your losing weight also, it is good. But my intention is not only to lose weight. That purpose only I am riding cycle. No, my intention and I I am getting a lots of satisfaction and lots of content joy. Okay, that is my main purpose actually, not only reduce weight. Otherwise, for reducing weight, I am doing yoga also. But the fact is that still now I can't reduce my weight because I am very foodie person also. I always, yeah. So that is the thing. And many times I have given myself challenge. Okay, that no sugar diet and lots of things. but still now it didn't happen in my life. Okay, I can't control my tongue. I am very much foodie, so that is
Yeah. Okay, so how much hour do you cycling a day?
yeah, 45 minutes every day.
45 minutes.
Yes, every
No.
day 45
And what
minutes.
time? What time?
Almost now 6 o'clock, 6 to 7, 6 to quarter to 7, like that.
Evening and morning.
Evening, not morning. Morning it is
Okay,
not possible for me.
what a wonderful actually. You are doing wonderful job actually for your health as well.
And
Actually, you
some
are.
because of me, I don't know. I'm not giving credit to me, but because of me, lots of ladies nowadays they have also started to ride bicycle. So that is another benefit.
They all are getting benefit by you actually because by watching you they are motivated
Yeah.
and they are following their passion, and the second things they are reducing their weight, and they can fit ourselves by cycling rather than going to gym. They are
Ex-
getting a lot of things by doing these things actually,
Yes.
definitely. So, Sangeeta, what I was asking actually, that was slipped in my mind actually. Okay, so do you think then when we mug up anything related to English, those who are not very good at this language and they are trying to mug up, so it is benefit for them or not? Because you have a good experience about this journey.
Because see,
Okay.
it is not like a calm chalao. Means that time you can manage. Okay, but back of the mind, you always feel that scaredness. Okay, you always think about if another person will ask me different thing, whatever I have not mug up. So how I could manage? How I can manage? So that is a I think weak point. But what I feel, instead of that, you learn this language because it is very easy language. Nowadays, we have a plethora of YouTube videos on YouTube, right? And lots of platform are there, lots of WhatsApp groups are there. So we can learn this language easily because how many days you will just flaunting or you just do show off or you just pretend. It is not possible each and every time, right? So instead of that, you just learn this language. Now it will not take lot of day if you are very much passionate and if you do consistently. So I think in 1 year you can speak very nice English if you are consistent there. So we have to, because mug up every time it will not help you.
Yeah,
Practically,
definitely.
yes.
Sometime it will work, but
Ah,
all the time can't work this way.
exactly.
So, what kind of strategy are you following to learn this language? Because as you mentioned that earlier you was not able to speak that language, and you felt very shame because of this language. So, what is your strategy to learn this language?
Yes, a very great question. As we all know, four aspects of learning this language: reading, listening, writing, and speaking. So, I have started reading practice actually first, but I was doing out of burden. But I have given 21-day challenge to myself, and at that time I would read only one page or one para. I have started, but 21 days without fail, I just started that, and I don't know yet how that habit inculcated in my behavior, because after that I was continuously reading books, and nowadays I am feeling so proud that I am enjoying reading books. So I start that also every day reading one hour as per your timing, because I have ample of time. So I read always 1 hour. Okay, sometimes morning 1 hour, evening 1 hour, and I started from Sudha Murthy's very short books. Okay, very easy to understand. And after that, I started speaking with co-learners, or I just started to make videos, short videos for myself only. Okay, that also I have started. Then I am a very much pain person. I like to jot down my thoughts. Okay, so I try to jot down some sentences while reading books. If I encounter in a new word, new expression, so I have that habit to jot down that sentence. And you can't believe I have almost 8 to 9 books, okay, for separate things. Means for idiom, one book; for phrases, one book; for vocabulary, one book; for good sentences, one notebook. But I am enjoying because I like to write down. And sometimes I listen conversational videos, sometimes Priyanka Chopra, sometimes talk show. It is not specific, whatever I like I just listen. But most of the time I prefer to listen conversational videos of English Yari most of the time. And I went through your videos also with English Yari. It's
Thank
really fascinating because we can learn some good things from that. And your videos, what is specialty of your videos, it's very natural. You are not doing any show off. It is not pre-planned. It is impromptu. So I learn lots of things from your videos also. So that is a good conversational video. So like that way I'm doing everyday practice to hone my communication skill.
you. Okay. So as you mentioned that you took our 21 challenges to learn to read this book to inculcate this habit. So
Yes.
I was asking that because so many learners are facing that problem when they start reading. But it is not that every time that whatever we are reading, we are able to understand that text. So it has happened sometime with you or not. If it has happened, so you read it out just only, or you tried to understand what is the meaning behind that. What kind of strategy did you follow to read the book?
Very interesting question, actually, Sangeeta, you have asked. It's very important and profound question because lots of people they know reading, doing reading practice, it will help to hold their communication skill, but they don't have idea how to read. You know what is my funda? If your viewer also will use, and I think it will give them also benefits. Okay, you don't read for the sake of finishing that book. Okay, our intention is not that to complete that book. What is our intention? We have to just take lots of things from that book. We have to learn those things. We have to imbibe that vocabulary, expression, idioms. So what you have to do, you have to read at least 3 to 4 times one same para, because I follow that things. I read one para almost 2 to 3 times unless and until I digest that everything, or I can imbibe those all things. Okay, so like that way you have to read 3 times loudly. Okay, and if you come across new word, so go to Google, Chat GPT, and just see what is the meaning of that. Otherwise you just go to YouTube and just type that sentence, what is the meaning of that sentence. Then they will tell you meaning of that sentence in your vernacular language. So like that way you do practice. Initially you feel it is very arduous task, it is very laborious task, but after some day it will take time. As I told you, Rome was not built in a one day, so it will also take time. Overnight it will not happen, right? So initially you have to give deliberate efforts, and only one para, one lesson, it is okay. One lesson, no, sorry, one page. Do only that things, okay? And like that way, if you do at least 21 days now, then I'm giving you assurance from my side that after 21 days, you will read books now with your what to say, means it will give you enjoyment. You feel when I will read book, when I will read book, like that will happen curiosity. Okay, because it is my own tried and tested experience. Okay, I am not giving you any preach or any you can say we are just saying another person. We don't do that things, and we are just telling another person, okay, you just do this thing and that things. But I am not telling that, it is my own experience. So if you also do that now, but only the thing is that you have to check your taste. I am telling you Sudha Murthy's book, but if you don't like Sudha Murthy's book, then go to another book as per your genre, as per your taste, because it is differ from subject to subject. Whatever I like, it is not necessary you will also like the same thing, right? So as per your taste, you choose book.
Yeah,
Yes.
that's wonderful, wonderful. So I think you completed that book very long time because you read that book to understand, comprehend to all paragraph and all vocabs and all things. So you completed that book in a long time, I think, or not?
Yes. Right.
Yes,
Exactly.
definitely. Yeah, because you didn't read just your reading.
Yeah, for the
You
sake of reading.
comprehend.
Yes, yes,
You
yes. And see,
comprehended that.
Yes, it is not like that. Na? We have that task. No, Sangeeta, you have to complete one book in 2 days. No, it is our choice. Okay. So you just read unless and until you can't gripe those things. Okay. And you know, another benefit of reading habit, your sentence structure, it will also enhance, right? So it will
Definitely.
help you.
Yeah, definitely. I can resonate with you actually. Those who are interested in reading part
Yeah.
and whenever they try to speak, their framing of sentence are very good and structures are good. And don't make a lot of mistake while reading and while speaking those sentences. Yeah, I can resonate with you. But those who are not the part of reading, because they have to frame their sentence on, so yeah, it is their chance can increase
Yes.
to turn the mistake while framing the sentence. I can resonate actually. Yeah, so actually it was very nice session and you gave a lot of information. Those who doesn't want to read book can inculcate, can take up 21 challenges and another things, those who are very enthusiastic towards this health can start cycling.
And you know, though it was our conversation, it was impromptu. We didn't plan. Okay, we just spoke casually. I also enjoyed a lot. I like
Me too.
impromptu session only because we didn't plan. Okay, anything that topic only we had to speak like that. Okay, we just do our casual talk. So I also enjoyed a lot. It is natural.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, it's natural and you give a lot of information actually
Thank
regarding
you.
health, regarding speaking, regarding reading, regarding making how to make notes. You added all lot of things in the journey actually.
You know,
So
sometimes my children they are also making fun on me. Mama, you have so many books. We don't have, and you have so many books. And in this age, you are writing with different color pen because I have habit. I always enjoy to write down a red pen, green pen, black, blue. I like those vibrant colors and everything. So my children sometimes they also get surprised to see my books. Okay, and sometimes they pull my legs also. But yes, I enjoy. And yes,
but how long
I just
okay.
want to tell your viewers also, your channel name is Advocate Sangeeta, right?
Thank you. Yes,
Yeah.
yes, yes.
So I just want to tell your viewers also, just subscribe this channel, like, because Sangeeta is giving her 100% and she is very pure soul. And you know what is the thing? Because see, if you connect another person, now then also we understand that language also. And your nature is like that. You are very much pure hearted and you are very natural. You are not flaunting and you are not doing anything. Okay. So I just
Thank you.
to request, I want to just do genuine request to all followers who are watching this channel. Just do like, subscribe, and just watch
Thank
this
you.
channel every day because it will definitely give you something. Right?
Yeah, definitely,
Yeah.
definitely, actually.
Thank you.
So my one more question is going to you. It's the last, okay? So
Okay.
how long have you been writing your means notebook? Because you mentioned that you have a 8 to 9 notebook. So how long have you been to passion to follow this passion?
Okay, you know, since last year only I have started. Earlier also I was doing in Corona period when Corona period was there, but I was not consistent. Okay, because I was doing job, so it was quite impossible for me. But whenever I come across any new word or anything, I have that habit to write down in my diary. But since last year, I have been very much consistent. I must say.
Okay. So sometimes you open your notebook or not to check that what kind of material you collected till now.
Yes, every now and then I do that. Otherwise, how it is possible to register that words in our mind? And most of the time, what I do, I just try to incorporate those things while conversation. It is very important. Otherwise, writing in the book, it will not make any sense. It is all in vain. Okay, you have to inculcate that words while conversing with another person. Then only it will get registered, right?
Yeah, definitely. Yeah. Wonderful, actually. It was nice conversation. So it's time to wind up this session, actually. and you give a lot of information, and I'm very thanks to from the bottom of my heart because
Same here.
of you came here and a lot of
Pleasure is mine.
information.
I also enjoyed. Pleasure is mine. Yes.
Okay, okay,
Bye.
bye. Bye. Have a swashbuckling time, Sangeeta.
Yes.
Bye.